raising additional revenue for education, but you're looking to and hoping to raise additional revenues for particularly SWIM, the SWIM project, and also for Preservation 2000 and some other things.
Something about a dog.
Woo, thank you.
Please, I make it.
You what?
Okay,
You what?
Australian.
Maybe I better go there someday.
Darling, I'm so glad you could come.